Hey guys, welcome back to World of Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to remove and replace key fob battery on BMW 6 Series guys. 6 Series I'm talking about generation F06, F12 and F13 guys. If you have one of those, you have a key that looks like that. It doesn't matter if you have more or less buttons guys, depends on the option package. We will show you how to remove and replace the key fob battery. When that key fob battery dies, you may not be able to lock and unlock the car doors with the key guys. You may even get a message on the dash that says low key battery to replace it. So stay with us, that's what we'll be doing today. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this BMW and every BMW we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 videos guys. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free by providing these free videos guys. So all you need to do, okay, if you like the video guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now if you guys need to buy a replacement battery for your key or replacement key fob, if yours is wore out, we'll guys have the links in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get a battery for a really good price, because this is a pretty big size battery guys, and sometimes if you go to a local shop, okay, they'll try to rip you off just because of that battery guys. So let me show you now, okay, how we are going to remove and replace the key battery. So that same design is used on the 6 Series BMW guys, the same key fob. So what you need to do now right here, okay, you need to press down that button, press it, okay, pull it out, perfect. Now let me show you what else we need to do guys. On the inside, if you come on the inside, okay, in this hole right here there is one clip. Okay, let me just focus on the action a little bit, okay, so the camera can show you better. And pry that clip open, okay, just push it in, perfect, and now pull it out guys. Okay, this is the clip. Now we grab the battery and we pull it out. I get the replacement battery now. Okay, replacement battery, this is a CR2450, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Then we get guys, okay, the clip, the plastic thing with the clip, install it, and all we need to do next, okay, grab and push the key in. And you can see guys, this is the whole procedure to remove and replace your you can see your key fob battery. Now if you need to remove the key fob, rebuild it, install a new case, we'll have the video on the channel as well, so check it out guys, all that is coming very soon. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.